Birds are splendid both visually and acoustically. Life cannot be imagined without birds, as they have a crucial role to play in the functioning of the ecosystem. It is difficult to rank birds based on their beauty and duty. Of all of the variety of birds, one kind is the grouse birds. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 10 most beautiful grouse bird species in the world. These are medium-sized birds and belong to the family of the Tetronydae. These grouse birds have a total of 18 species and are mostly found in temperate and subarctic regions of the northern hemisphere. They can survive up to 10 years, but due to various diseases, these attractive birds rarely live more than 1 year. Now let's discuss the 10 most beautiful grouse bird species. Number 10. Black grouse. The black grouse is one of the most appealing birds in the world. Apart from red wattles and a white wing bar, they are very distinguished. The young birds feed on invertebrates, and adults depend upon shoots and buds of bilberries and heather. The male grouse birds have babbling, loud, and a somewhat dove-like sound, while female birds have a squawking call. During the breeding season, the males show a display of behavior, especially at dawn in the spring, called lekking. They show their dominance to the females to attract them. Beautiful black grouse are found across Europe from Great Britain, except Ireland, throughout Scandinavia and Estonia into Russia. Number 9. Capercaillie. Capercaillie, also known as the wood grouse, is a delightful grouse. The male and female capercaillie can be distinguished by coloration and size. The males are visually heavier and bigger. Their wingspan is about 1.5 meters. The body feathers of this lovely bird are colored dark gray to dark brown, and the breast feathers are dark green in color. The female capercaillie is smaller and lighter, with a wingspan of 70 centimeters. The upper feathers are brown and the inner feathers are yellowish. Females make a nasal sound, "Caw, caw." Their diet includes buds, leaves, berries, insects, and grasses. For breeding, males acquire a particular position and make popping sounds to attract the female. These attractive grouse birds are usually found in native pine woods. Number 8. Willow ptarmigan. The willow ptarmigan, Alaska's state bird, is a sociable and alluring grouse bird. Often called the master of camouflage, these stunning grouse birds are white in winter and appear red and brownish in summer. They're plump, chicken-like, have a small head, short neck, and large feathered feet. The males have loud, guttural, and fragmented calls as compared to the females. And the willow ptarmigan forms flocks in winter, and when food is in large quantity, then flocks can grow as large as 2,200 birds. Males, after reaching the breeding area, defend it from other males. When females arrive a few weeks later, they perform courtship displays and also provide protection to females and eggs. Number 7. Ruffed grouse. At number 7 in the list is the ruffed grouse, a gorgeous and colorful bird. They are relatively small grouse having a short, triangular crest and long tail. The males have large dark-colored neck feathers, and the young ones eat clover and insects. The winter food of these lovely birds are the buds of broad-leaved trees. The male ruffed grouse makes drumming sounds by beating its wings against the log. For mating, the male produces this drumming sound and after attracting females, fans out his tail. However, their nests can be overrun by pheasants or wild turkey. The ruffed grouse is usually found in deciduous and mixed forests and are known worldwide for their beauty. Number 6. The dusky grouse. The dusky grouse is a subspecies of the blue grouse, and they're the most appealing and pretty grouse birds. The male is gray-blue in color with yellow eyebrows and purple air sacs in the neck. The females have a smaller head and long dark tail and are brownish in color. These beautiful birds feed on pine needles, leaves, and insects. The males produce a hooting sound, much like an owl, and the dwellings of the dusky grouse are mixed forests in summer and pine forests in winter. Number 5. Franklin's grouse. Franklin's grouse are beautiful birds originated from the family of Phasianidae. The male grouse birds are typically about 43 centimeters in height with a weight ranging from 400 to 600 grams, and the female grouse are relatively smaller than the males and are 300 to 550 grams in weight. The Franklin's grouse lives in pine forests, and their diet is based around their surroundings. They consume pine and spruce needles for their meals, and these birds are very widely known for their beauty, with the unique appearance of brown, black, and gold, giving them a very attractive look. Number 4. The greater sage grouse. The greater sage grouse are typically known as sage hen and is one of the largest grouse in the North American region. They are very alluring grouse in their appearance, with a chubby body, round head, and a small tail. They have a black, gray, and brown color combination on their bodies. They're about 1.5 to 2 kilograms in weight. Greater sage grouses are only found in the tribal areas and mountains of the north, making them distinct in their breed. These birds are very appealing and gorgeous. Number 3. Siberian grouse. The Siberian grouse are very delightful grouse of medium size and are pretty chunky. They resemble North American spruce grouse and are mostly found in the forests of spruce, pine, larch, and fir. Siberian grouse are recognized as the game bird of far eastern Russia. Both males and females are dark spotted and black with some white spots on some parts of their body. They are very attractive grouse and are found in some of the tribal areas of Russia. They usually feed on grains, small insects, and leaves. The Siberian grouse are very nice looking due to being unique in their look. Number 2. Sooty grouse. The stunning sooty grouse reside in the forests of North America, living around the Pacific Coast Range. They are also related to the dusky grouse, and there was a time when they were identified as one species. But both the male and female sooty grouse are clocked with color patterns of brown, black, gray, and white. These lovely birds are usually found in mountains and coastal conifer forests. Sooty grouse are about 750 to 1,300 grams in weight and about 16 to 20 centimeters in height. Due to their appearance, they're referred to as the charming grouse.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out our other amazing videos on our channel and give us a like if you've enjoyed this video so far. Also, tell us in the comments which one of these is most strange according to you.
Number 1. The Greater Prairie Chicken. At the top of the list is the Greater Prairie Chicken, a beautiful bird species and are referred to as game birds. They have a chunky body, long tail, small legs, and small heads. They are rufous black and have brown spots on their bodies. The Greater Prairie Chicken has a weight ranging from 900 to 1,000 grams, 43 centimeters long, and has a wing diameter of about 70 to 72 centimeters. Their diet is usually based around fruits, seeds, grains, and insects. This species of grouse is regarded as attractive looking due to their delightful appearance and various colors.